Hello, kamusta mga Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a kit from Bandai which came from the anime series Gundam SEED Destiny. And to be honest, this kit is really hard to find nowadays, and I find it very hard to search in the market. But fortunately, I found some seller which sold this to me, into a reasonable price, and I find him in Shopee Ph. And in Shopee also, there are many sellers, especially from China. They sell it in overpriced status, which is very bad for me because I know this kit is not that expensive because it's not even a master grade. It's only in the scale of 1 and 100. And I know you know what I'm talking about. So let's go here in this kit that we will open and unbox. The AKATSUKI Gundam Oowashi and Shiranui pack full set. So this is very special because it has two flight packs, the Oowashi flight pack and the Shiranui flight pack. So this is being piloted by two pilots. It can be piloted by Kira Yamato's sister and Mula Flaga. So Kira Yamato's sister, who is Kagali, I think Kagali can pilot the Akatsuki on Oowashi pack, and Mula Flaga will pilot the Akatsuki in Shiranui pack. So let's check this kit out and let's build this Akatsuki Shiranui Oowashi flight pack. So the box art here shows the AKATSUKI Gundam, where there are two variations, the one with the Oowashi flight pack and the one with Shiranui flight pack. We can see the two pilots here, Kagali Yulaata and Mula Flaga. So this is in 1 and 100 scale model. It's not even a master grade, but there's this master grade from the Chinese bootlegs, or what I call the Chinese fake Bandai kits, which is the Dragon Momoko. But even the Dragon Momoko, it's very hard to find. And even some sellers sell this in an overpriced status, so very bad. Even the Dragon Momoko is very expensive. Anyway, let's build this Bandai, and before we build, let's have a quick review first in the box art. And the side of the box, we can see Kagali Yulata, and there's this Oowashi flight pack Shiranui, and we can see the difference between that Oowashi and Shiranui. So Oowashi is for the atmospheric flight, and this Shiranui is for the space flight. So there we can see also Mula Flaga, and then the other side of the box we can see the basic Akatsuki Gundam without the flight pack. So this is the front view. This is the pose with action-based stand. There's this different gold shades. So there's this orange gold, and there's this yellowish gold. There's this red part for the feet. So it looks like the Yakushiki. Yep. It reminds me of the Yakushiki, so it's like the version of Yakushiki in the SEED universe. So there's this dragoons also for the Shiranui, and this one, to be honest, I much like the Oowashi flight pack than the Shiranui flight pack. And there's this beam sabers being combined into one, so two beam sabers combined into a Darth Maul style beam saber, something like that. And there's this beam rifle also, where you can attach the beam saber on it to make it like a bayonet. So we open the box here, and charan, it's all gold, same like my gold ring from Saudi Arabia. And there we can see the AKATSUKI Gundam here with its manual. So it's very nice manual, yellowish also. Same with the pilots with yellow hair, so it's even fitting to them because they have both yellow hairs and their Gundam is gold. So we can see here the parts list, and it's very nice. The parts list have a color printout. Then we can see here the basic printout for Bandai's manual, which is black and white, until here in the back part of the manual, where we can see some color guides, I think. No, it's only the front and view, front and back view of the kit, and the flight packs available. And there it is. You can see the post for the Oowashi flight pack and the Shiranui flight pack there. And now we go to the packs of the kit. So it's all shining gold. So there's this parts for the shield. And there's this orange gold parts for the vents, I think. Then there are this gold dragoon parts here for the Shiranui flight pack. And we have here gold armor pieces. And what I learned about the reviews from YouTube reviewers is that these are undergated. Yep, there are undergated pieces here, and to be honest, I find the review of this kit very convincing because they reviewed it in an excellent way, an excellent rating. So I was convinced to buy this. So we have here gray parts for the inner frame, and the beam saber effect parts. It's not the traditional beam saber effect parts. It's like a beam saber. Yep, it's a beam saber. Flat saber, I think. So it's not that beam saber rounded type, but a flat beam saber. So it's like a blade, beam blade. Yep, that's the correct way. And we have here red parts for not red parts but maroon parts. Same like the Yakushiki feet. We have here black part for the action-based stand. So this is very nice because it has an action-based stand. Kudos to Bandai for making their kits having action-based stand included. And we have here multicolored runners with decals included and polycaps. So there are polycaps for this kit. There are white parts here also for the shield. We have here another gold parts here for the flight pack, the Oowashi flight pack, and I can see these are undergated. Very nice. It will hide the nub marks. And there are these wings for the Oowashi flight pack. And now we have here the gray parts for the armor pieces, inner frame pieces rather. So as always, let's have a quick review of the runners before we build this kit. So let me start with these gold plated parts here. We have here runner C1 for the shield parts. And let's just be careful when handling this because these are plated, so as much as possible let's avoid scratching it. So we have here runner F for the Dragoons of Shiranui Flight Pack. So we have here Runner D for the armor pieces. We have here Runner B for the armor pieces again. We have Runner G for these Oowashi Flight Pack, and the wings for the Oowashi Flight Pack, which is the Runner E. So this is very shiny, same like my gold ring. And let's go to this orange gold part here, which is Runner C2. We have here maroon colored runners for the feet. So we have two sets of Runner J. We have beam saber or beam blade effect parts. We have here Runner H, gray colored runners for the inner frames. We have here multicolored runner for Runner A. So these are black runners with some maroon colored pieces here and white pieces there. And we have gray runners here for inner frames. So these are runner eyes. So we have two sets of Runner I for gray runners. And we have finally the polycaps. So these polycaps are for the joint parts. And these stickers for the dry transfer, I think. Yep, these are dry transfer. Then we have here foil sticker for the eye and camera lenses. And also we have here the stand or the action base stand here for the Akatsuki. So let's build this kit and wait for my review soon. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care. So it says here gold, same as my ring. It's gold. Yep, it's gold.